Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Thyronorm All Range Tablets. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Abbott. Thyronorm All Range Tablet. Uses. Thyronorm tablet is used to treat hypothyroidism, a condition where the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones. This can lead to symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, cold sensitivity, and depression. Benefits. With regular use of Thyronorm, you may notice an increase in your energy levels, improved mood, better sleep, and even improved sex drive. It also helps normalize your weight and reduces muscle and joint pain. Side effects. Though effective, Thyronorm may cause some side effects. These include electrolyte imbalance, dizziness, fatigue, muscle cramps, and headaches. If these symptoms are severe or persistent, consult your doctor. How to use. Take Thyronorm exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole. Do not chew or crush it. It should be taken on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning for best results. How it works. Thyronorm is a synthetic version of a natural thyroid hormone. It works by replacing the hormone your body isn't making enough of, helping to reduce symptoms like tiredness, weight gain, and depression.